In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send photos from an iPhone 12 in a text message using iMessage. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to effortlessly share your favorite moments with friends and family directly from your device. Now let's dive right in and get started with this easy process. First, you'll want to locate the Messages app on your iPhone 12. It's represented by a green icon with a white speech bubble and is likely found on your home screen, so go ahead and tap on that to open it up. Once you're in the app, you should see a list of your recent conversations. If you're looking to start a new conversation, you can do so by tapping the Compose button located in the upper right corner. It's a pencil icon on a square, a familiar sight for messaging app users. Next, find and tap the little plus button situated just above your keyboard on the left-hand side. This opens up additional options where you'll see a range of icons like the camera, microphone, app store and more. For our tutorial, focus on the icon that resembles a stack of pictures. This is the Photos icon. Tapping it allows you to browse through your photo library and select the images you'd like to share. Once you've tapped the Photos icon, your photo library will appear, showing you all your most recent photos. This is the moment where you can scroll through your gallery and select the photo or photos you want to send. Simply tap on each photo to select it, and you'll notice a small blue check mark appearing at the corner of each image. If you've changed your mind on a selection, just tap a checked photo again, and it will be unselected. After choosing your photos, you might notice a small preview appearing in the Compose message area. This is just a quick confirmation that the photos are ready to be sent. At this point, you can add a message by typing in the text field below the images, letting your recipient know more about the photos or sending your greetings along with them. When everything looks good, just tap the send button. That's the upward pointing arrow located on the right side of the text input area. Your message will then be on its way. Keep in mind that how your message is sent and received can vary slightly. A blue bubble indicates it's been sent via iMessage, meaning it's secured with encryption. If you see a green bubble, that means it's been sent via SMS, MMS, which isn't encrypted and may tap into your mobile data plan. Knowing the difference can be helpful, especially if you're mindful of data usage or security. And there you have it, an easy and efficient way to send photos from your iPhone 12 using iMessage. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tech how-tos.